Hi guys, Arfat is here and you watch Tech and Tricks. When you install the window and this corner of this error are shown after 1 month and few days, the Windows 7 build 7601 is not genuine. And today is my tutorial how to solve this solution. It is very easy and simple, and you watch my complete video and step by step I will do how to solve this solution. And first of all, you click my computer properties and you check it in the status of window activator, and this window is not active, and you active this window. So this error I show, and the corner of the window the errors are these have shown, and you click on the start button and type the CMD, and this command is run on administrator. I will click on the run as administrator and click on yes. Then this interface, you see that, and you click the type the word slmgr, then space, and then dash and rearm, enter, and after few seconds you show the status and restart the computer, and then you see that your window is not genuine, error is go off. If you like my video and subscribe my channel,